Hey everybody, my name is Wils Dawson. I'm a founding engineer here at Arcade, and I'm going to demo today a new feature we launched called User Sources. It allows you to connect your own identity provider as the authentication mechanism for an MCP gateway. But first we'll go through a little refresher on MCP gateways. So they are a single endpoint that connects any MCP client like Claude, Copilot, Cursor, whatever, to the tools that your org has approved. It's one URL for access, it's a single layer for governance, but the hard part, or the tricky part until now, has been enabling all of your users to access it in a secure way. So I have this gateway right now called Flins. I want to enable my entire engineering organization, thousands of people, to be able to access this, but I don't want them to have Arcade accounts. I don't want them to be able to log into Arcade. So right now it's configured for that Arcade auth access, so all members of this project can use it. Great for testing, great for development, but now I'm ready to roll this out across the organization. I want non-Arcade users to be able to access it. And that requires a user source. We don't have any configured right now, so we'll go make one. Now I've already set this up on the IDP side. In this fictitious company, we use Okta. So this is our enterprise IDP. And I will copy and paste the information that I have from Okta here, client ID and client secret. These, you can set up a user source for Okta, for Entra, for Ping, for any other IDP that you might have within your organization, or for your customers using Auth0, Clerk, Stytch, any of those other kinds of identity providers as well. So we've set up our Okta IDP here as a user source. And we can see now on the gateway configuration, we can select that for access to this gateway. And all of the governance pieces are in place already, so we'll update that gateway. And there we go. We have our gateway. Now switching over to my developer persona, I'm working on docs, and I'm using Claude Code. Now I can go in and manage our connectors here and find Flins that has been set up by my organization. I can connect to that. And you can see I'm taken immediately to the login screen. It's my normal Okta credentials that I'm used to logging in every day. So I'll sign in to Okta, connecting to Flins, and I'll get some consent that Claude wants to access this MCP gateway. Yeah, that's fine. And we'll open that up, and there we go. Successfully connected to Flins. We've got all these tools that the admin has given me access to, the organization has given me access to, and only those GitHub and linear tools are allowed. Now, if I instead am a different developer, let's sign out of Okta, and let's say I'm using Copilot instead, I can go ahead and add that MCP server, and it is this URL. Come back to my developer. This is Flins. Sure. And wants to authenticate. Wants to open up this address, and you can see I'm taken to Okta again, and we'll sign in with our credentials, and now Visual Studio Code wants to access Flins, and we can allow that, and there we go, and we're connected. So across your organization, no matter what MCP client, they all funnel back to your SSO controlled IDP, all managed in the user sources there. And if we can come back to Arcade, you can see those connected users are all managed correctly within your organization. So you have auditability across all of that for who's accessing what, who has access to what, and you can revoke that access at any time. Thanks so much.